Hello, friends and family, and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to begin this new journey that I am upon with my retirement. I retired in June and I wanted to start a YouTube channel. So I asked my daughters to help me come up with a name, and one of my daughters came up with the name Sharon's Second Act. And I felt that was perfect because that's exactly what this is. It's my second act, and I intend to enjoy it, and I intend to do a lot of the things that I didn't have time to do when I was working. So I sure would appreciate it if you guys would come along with me, like, subscribe, share my videos, and come on along with me as I begin and I go through this second act of my life. Let's see what we can get into. Let's see what kind of fun we can have, because that is my goal. You know that, to have fun, right? Learn new things. It has always been my goal, and it still is, even in retirement, is to learn new things, experience new things, to experiment more with some of the hobbies that I'm into, but mostly shopping. So I guess I should tell you what my channel is going to be about, right? So shopping, creating gluten-free recipes, and life. That's pretty much it. I think that covers everything, right? And whatever else you guys would like for me to talk about. So let's get started living life, right? Love you guys. here getting my car service, and I wanted to give you guys an update on the cookies. So they turned out really good. Suggestions: make sure that you use your favorite peanut butter brand. You will taste the peanut butter very well in these. They are very moist, and they're actually really good. I will link the recipe, but I did change it a bit. Instead of just using white sugar, I used brown sugar. I used half a cup of brown sugar and a quarter cup of white sugar. And I added a half teaspoon of vanilla. But yes, I do like them. Very, very moist and very good. This is actually the next day, and they're still really good. There is another recipe that I want to make that is made with powdered sugar. So I will make that one next as a comparison, and I'll let you guys know. But yeah, very good. Very good.